Hello everyone, I am going to start level 2 CSIR UGC NET Life Sciences 11th and 12th also and Neet Biology. This is my humble request to all. Please watch all videos of level 1 who are preparing for NET Slet of CSIR Life Science and Neet for medical 11th and 12th. I am 100% sure if you listen upcoming videos 2 or 3 times, you will absorb all material completely. All chapters of level 1 posted already on this YouTube channel. After posting the introduction, I will post chapter 1 of level 2, origin and evolution of life and classification of plants and animals. So one more important thing, you should read slide number 2 so that you know what are the objectives of this PPT, and after that you have to read slide number 53 and 54. Here you can see summary of this chapter, that what you have learnt after read this complete PPT. Thanks to all for watch it. Please subscribe, like and share these videos so that others can also take benefits from it. Thanks in advance. Thank you very much.